This is what the street side of 260 West Main Street in Henderson looks like. You're gonna come around through the parking lot. This is the front of the building. We're actually in the back of the structure. You're gonna drive around on the side. Come to the rear, and then you'll see this rock facade here with the two doors. You're going to go ahead and park right in front here, and you can see the CPR Lifeline on the door. You're gonna come through, you're gonna come right up to the door, suite 100. You're gonna input that code that was emailed to you. And from here, you'll be able to go into the facility. You're then going to open the door. You're then going to come to the other door here. You'll see CPR Lifeline on the door. You're going to input that code. You're going to come on in. You're going to then input your RQI sign-on and password. You can start your skills check. When you're done, if you can, do me a favor and just clean off the mannequins with the provided wipes and just put everything back together. Thank you very much. Have a good one.